friends, I hope you all are doing great. It's me, Nikki here, and I'm so excited about this video because I am going to be sharing with you our master slash primary bathroom renovation. And I also am super excited that I have teamed up with the sponsors of this video, Lamps Plus. It is no secret, if you have been with me a while, you know how much I love Lamps Plus and how they are that exclusive lighting source in my home. But they are not only exclusive to lighting, they have just that one-stop shop approach to your home. You can get so many beautiful decor, furnishings, all kinds of things for your home that are absolutely beautiful. So this is just even more exciting for me. So let's jump right in.
Okay, friends, let's start with a before of our master bathroom. Now, for anyone who is new, welcome first of all. But Mike and I, we purchased our forever home back in the spring, and it checked off everything that we loved. It's such a peaceful home, but it was dated, and we knew that we would have to come in and make it ours. And if you know anything about Mike and I, you know we love that type of challenge. And so we knew the bathroom was going to be somewhat of a bigger challenge compared to all the other spaces for us, but we were so up for it and ready to have our bathroom. And so when you look at the bathroom, it's a lot of just wallpaper. The hardware and things are very dated. It just has all of this border, and I knew I didn't want to take it down, but I wanted to prep it to be able to be painted, and so that it looked back like a flat wall. Changing out the door handles, painting the doors, removing the popcorn ceiling, all those things, getting rid of that linoleum flooring. And so one thing that we had to do is get a blank canvas, get everything out of this bathroom. Mike and I, we are of a particular age now, so we knew all of that lifting for that we did not want to do. So we hired the most amazing handyman, Manny, to come in one day and rip out everything in the bathroom for us. And I will share Manny's information with you if you're in the Charlotte area. He is just so dependable, such a great guy. And he literally just got it demoed in one day, came in and actually in a few hours and was done. And then the rest was on Mike and I, and we were ready to roll. So I took maybe a week, and I got the walls ready. I kind of mudded the seams. Mike came and sanded them for me, and then he started on the shiplap wall where the vanities are going to go, because we're putting shiplap throughout our home in spaces to give a coastal vibe. And while he did that, I worked on priming and painting the bathroom. And friends, when I put that blue on the wall, it was our bathroom at that point. I painted it a blissful blue. That's the name of the blue. I love the name, by the way. And it really just is absolutely beautiful. And now for the next step, which was the lighting. And I was so super excited about this because now that the paint was on and the ceiling is now removed from popcorn, it was time for lighting. So friends, the first showstopper is this beautiful lighting from Lamps Plus over our soaking tub, and it steals the show. The Maximum Divine, it just is this beautiful 23-inch wide polished nickel pendant light, and I love it. I love how it reflects off the wall. I am also obsessed with our vanity lighting because it is so modern, it's so clean, and it comes in a set of 2, which is great too, so you get a lot of bang for your buck, but it just is perfection in the space. And lighting is so important when it comes to your bathroom space for both function and for the beauty. And these two truly hit the mark, and it totally transformed our space in the bathroom. I absolutely love it. Okay, friends, so let's look at the function that we incorporated into our bathroom. And one, it starts with this vanity from Lamps Plus. Absolutely obsessed with it. It is called the Elizabeth, and it's a stylish 48-inch wide vanity. Mike and I each have our own, which is beautiful. And I love the sink area. It's just the perfect size, the perfect counter, and everything just really was a great fit for our master bathroom. And I love that it has the 6 drawers, which 5 actually are 5 working drawers, and they're the perfect depth and the perfect size, and it allows you to categorize your different things because you have those 5 different drawers that you can incorporate these organizational slats that I am obsessed with. I always love using these because they allow you to create a custom custom system for yourself. Like this drawer here is going to be used for my hair tools, and I can easily set a home for each tool, making it easy when I'm getting ready in the day. So that is so important to have that function along with that beauty, and this vanity does just that. At the bottom, you also have a place to put your towels, and I'm thinking about getting some pretty baskets to put the towels in down there, and then also have a drawer to keep my makeup in. But what is so essential that I love about this vanity is that I can have layered organization. So I can have, because of the depth of the drawers, it really is perfect so that you can really maximize the space. I'm not a big makeup girl, so I have just what I need, and then I have a spare of that. So I use one, and then I have my backup ready. I also, a little small tip is to use velvet bags to put some of your messier makeup items in, so that it does not, it helps you with keeping your sink, your drawer tidy. So I really like using those little bags for the messier things. And friends, by the way, if you're enjoying this video, please subscribe to the At Home with Nikki channel. I would love to have you a part of the family. So another drawer that I like having in my side of the vanity is a consumables drawer. These are things that I use and I toss. And so it just makes it easy when I'm getting ready in the day, or I'm winding down and getting ready for bed. And so I definitely want a drawer for that. And so more is coming on the organization of the vanity, but I just kind of want to show you how it functions well. Another thing that is a showstopper in the space is the mirror. And these are also from Lamps Plus, which, like I told you in the beginning of the video, Lamps Plus is definitely that place to go for everything. They have the lights and the mirrors and the decor. And I specifically love this mirror because it's gorgeous, but yet it's simple. The simplicity with the beauty I love, and it goes so well with the sconces. And so everything with the lighting just came together for me. With the vanities, they fit the space perfectly. Now, I still need to beautify the space as far as decor, and that'll be a separate video. So when I finish styling the bathroom, so this is basically just the kind of finished bathroom with the gorgeous lighting. And I mean, it is, Mike and I, we love it. We just love it. It's totally a transformation from what it was. It feels so good when we walk in here. We have the new flooring. We have our soaking tub, which I'm going to style this also in another video. You'll come and see that. And the vanities, they just could not be more perfect. And so I am just in awe of my new shower, and just the space has just come together. Mike did a fabulous job on the back shiplap wall, and it really adds to the room and to the vibe of our home. And friends, I tell you, I am just so happy with how everything turned out in the space. It really just looks like we desired it to look, and it went from this old dated bathroom to now feeling fresh and new, and the blue just makes me happy, and it's just such a great space to come into now. And this was such a huge project to get done, and it was challenging, but we got it done. And I will definitely list all of the products that I use from Lamps Plus down in the description box, so you definitely want to check it out. They are definitely that source when it comes to lighting and decor and furnishings for your home.
So friends, I hope you have enjoyed seeing how Mike and I renovated our master bathroom. This is such an amazing project to get checked off of our home renovation list. Also, let me know in the comments, what was your favorite item or favorite part of the renovation? And I also would love to know kind of what theme or colors that are you using in your master or primary bathroom. And I want to thank my sponsors, Lamps Plus, for just being that company that I can go to and know that I'm going to find something that I love. They have just such a huge selection of lighting and home products that really can be that one-stop shop for our homes. And I will put the link to Lamps Plus in the description box below. So friends, have a beautiful day. I will see you at the next video. And this is Nikki saying goodbye.